Hello, I'm Aparna Kumar. Let me ask you the most critical question about AI transformation. Why can some organizations onboard 100,000 employees to AI in months, while others are still stuck with a handful of pilots going nowhere? After 3 decades leading IT transformations across multinational banks and advising over 50 organizations across BFSI, healthcare, automotive, agriculture, and telecom, I've discovered something that might surprise you. It has nothing to do with technology. The organizations winning at AI aren't those with the most sophisticated platforms. They are the ones that cracked the culture code. I've just published Building an AI First Enterprise, the blueprint for cultural transformation beyond banking. Here's what most transformation narratives overlook. Nearly half of employees at leading organizations now utilize generative AI tools every single day. They are using it in tens of thousands of ways, tailored to their specific jobs. That's not technology adoption, that's cultural transformation. Leading financial institutions have deployed enterprise AI platforms to nearly 250,000 people. Within months, employees started developing personal relationships with AI. Think about that language. Personal relationships. That's not tool adoption, that's cultural integration. Meanwhile, other organizations with equally sophisticated technology see minimal usage. Same tools, different outcomes. The difference? Culture. So, how do you actually build this culture? The most counterintuitive insight: don't mandate AI adoption. Leading organizations opt-in models. They made tools available, invested heavily in change management and training, and then let employees approach adoption at their own pace. This created fascinating social dynamics. Early adopters experimented, discovered valuable applications, and shared insights with colleagues. Fear of missing out became more potent than any top down mandate. Word of mouth became the most effective training channel. Employees share prompt of the week, innovations, create prompt libraries, and discuss applications through social channels. The result? Authentic adoption driven by perceived value rather than compliance. And here's the business case. Industry research projects $200 to $340 billion in potential savings across banking industry alone. AI pioneers could see return on equity increased by up to 4 percentage points. Through my consulting work, I have identified the two-pillar architecture that successful organizations implement. Pillar 1: strategic prioritization of high-impact domains. You can't transform everything simultaneously. Identify workflows where AI delivers the maximum business impact, such as credit fraud, customer onboarding, and operations, and organize cross-functional teams with executive sponsorship around those priorities. Pillar 2: federated self-service innovation. While strategic initiatives drive top-down transformation, they simultaneously empower bottom-up innovation. Provide employees with powerful self-service AI tools, enabling them to discover applications tailored to their context. These pillars work synergistically. Strategic initiatives drive concentrated value. Self-service innovation distributes value across the organizational long tail. Now here's where most organizations go wrong. Training. One size fits all. AI training fails spectacularly. You need segmented approaches for employees, technologists, data scientists, and executives. Different audiences, different needs, different training. Organizations that get this right see adoption rates 2 to 3 times higher. Let me give you 3 strategic moves you can implement immediately. 1. Enable democratization first. Don't wait for the perfect AI strategy. Deploy enterprise-grade generative AI platforms. Ensure appropriate governance and security, then enable broad access. Let democratization drive discovery. 2. Build your two-pillar architecture. Resist the false choice between strategic initiatives and bottom-up experimentation. You need both. Identify key workflows for concentrated business value while enabling federated innovation. 3. Segment your training programs. Stop generic AI training. Develop distinct programs tailored to employees, technologists, data scientists, and executives. Each population requires different depth, content, and delivery mechanisms. These 3 moves separate organizations that extract exponential value from those stuck in proof of concept hell. Here's what I know after 30 years. The transition from AI experimentation to AI first culture is the most profound organizational transformation of our era. Technology enables transformation, but culture determines whether transformation succeeds. So here's my challenge. Read the full article. I delve into democratization models, the two-pillar architecture, segmented training frameworks, and what's to come in 2027 and beyond. Then ask yourself, are you building AI first technology or AI first culture? Is your organization treating AI as a specialized capability or a cultural norm? Share your thoughts in the comments. What's your experience building an AI first culture? What barriers are you facing? Because the organizations that embed AI into how people think, work, and collaborate, those are the ones that will define the next decade of competitive advantage. I'm Aparna Kumar. Let's build AI first cultures together. One democratized tool, one reimagined workflow, one empowered employee at a time.